Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungenile. Thank you very much. Ngicela subscribe, like video, share. Guys, nimali ngikabi enibuka ama video without subscribing, like really. And subscribing ngani bafethu ngoba kumahala, you just press subscribe, that's it. So lokhu yawabuka ama video yabuka kodwa usubscribe hayi bafethu. But ke asikhulume ngodawulo kaBaba Masimula, ubaba ufana Masimula sizwile ke ukukhulunywa ukuthi khona oselapha na waveza okuningi ngaye ukuthi khona corruption thize nayenzile. There is just a warlord bafethu. Kuthiwa ke kodwa ubaba Masimula ngathi uzovela enkantolo no Kate Matlala ngesikhathi esilandelayo. So icala lithinta ku Commissioner wamaphoyisa uGeneral Fane Masimula lilahlesiselwa uMay 13 emva kokuthi avele enkantolo yemanje yasePitoli ngolesibili. Simbonile, you guys, I saw him, he was in court, so uzobuya avele again kuzimhla ka 13 ngoMay. Okay, uma esebuya ke kulindelekile kuba avele no soma business yolandelwa izinkulumo eziningi. Uvuze uMkate Matlala kanye ke namaphoyisa ngo-12. Okay, khumbula labana baboshwa bebaningi guys, bonke babhekane ke necala elimayelana nethenda lika 360 million eyanikezwe uMatlala ngo-2024. This is just a warlord. Umasimula yena ubhekane namacala ahlobene nezinsolo zokwephulwa komthetho iPublic Finance Management Act. Amaphoyisa u-12 asola ngokuhlanganyela kuleli cala abhekane namacala ahlanganisa ukukhwabanisa, ukushushumbisa imali nokuphula imithetho yemali. So amaphoyisa phambilini anikezwa ibail ephakathi kuka-40,000 rand kusiya ku 80,000 rands ngokwahlukana. Bonke abasola bazovela ndawonye enkantolo njengoba kumbuso ulungiselela ukuqhubeka phambili necala. Udaba lukaBaba Masimula, you guys, uzovela no Kate Matlala hayi kunzima kodwa. So la esayidini la Sunday World bebebhala ukuthi i-DA is pressing the President Cyril Ramaphosa to suspend top cop uMasimula amid the 360 million tender charges. Yona nto bayibhale ka Sunday World. Bengita ngifunde kancane. The DA has called on President Cyril Ramaphosa to place National Police Commissioner Fane Masimula on precautionary suspension and institute a formal board of inquiry into his fitness to hold the office. Now, this follows his court appearance alongside businessman Mkate Matlala on charges linked to a procurement matter. Masimula appeared in court regarding this tender, 360 million Medicare tender that Matlala received. Masimula faces 4 counts of violating the Public Finance Management Act. In the statement that was issued on Tuesday, the DA said the seriousness of the allegations against the country's top police official demanded urgent presidential action under the South African Police Service Act, warning that continued uncertainty at the helm of the police service risks further eroding public confidence amid persistently high levels of violent crime and organized criminal activity. The law is clear. Section 9 of the SAPS Act read with Section 8 empowers the President to establish a board of inquiry into allegations of misconduct by the National Commissioner, his fitness to hold office or his capacity to execute his duties efficiently. But South Africa cannot afford drift equivocation or half measures at the top of the police service. So, according to the DA, President have used Section 9 before. The President Ramaphosa must now act decisively to restore credibility to SAPS through leadership grounded in integrity, proper vetting and real accountability. So kuningi abakubhale nje lapha ngeke ngifunde yonke into ebhaliwe, but umongameli kangenelele odabeni kaMasimula, you guys, athi kumise emsebenzini kube khona amanyathelo athathwayo when it comes to iSAPS ngoba kuningi okwenzekayo okuhlanganisa iSAPS. There's just a warlord. So yeah, akunzima. Kukhona ke uGareth Mnisi uphekwa iMadlanga Commission. Hayi guys, ngeke. He is the City of Tshwane's what? Chief Financial Officer. He is the CFO, you guys. Like phekwa iMadlanga. Kodwa bonakale umuntu onolaka bafethu, but niyambona mayikhuluma nje umnisi ukuthi unolaka kanjani. Yo, uyambona nje ukuthi hayi indelelo yakhe ingaphezulu akafani nabanye. Even when ephendula nje imibuzo yamuza ukuthi une-cheek leya kunolaka nje kuyena engalitholi kahle ukubonisa indelelo nokuthathela omunye umuntu phansi, something like that. Into engiyifundile nje ngalo Gareth Mnisi, kodwa ke mbone abanye bethi isilungu sakhe lesucabanga ukuthi siyomsave when it comes to this one. Hayi, this one shame. Your Englishness is not going to save you from this. Ubonakale ngumuntu ofundile, uhlakaniphe ngempela, kodwa indelelo yona ikhona ngendlela aphendula ngakhona ama-commissioners when it comes to me, you know, indlela nje engimbone ngayo akaphendule kahle ama-commissioners. But anyways, kuningi nje kuleya ndawo. Ngizoloku ngiza nama-update you guys regarding what is happening. Bengithe angize since I think in 2 days ngaka-upload, bengithi angize nalezi ndaba ezilokhu zitrenda ezabo-Sign Buji, oMasimula oGareth Mnisi, oKagiso Leroux. Kuningi, kuminyene, it's just a whole lot. Ikhona ka baba Julius Malema naye isaloku ivutha phela, ayikapholi, kusaloku kuningi, you know what I mean. So yeah man, asaziyozala nkomoni, sizobe sikhulume mangabe sekukhona ke i-update. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ungakhohlwa ufaka leya notification bell yakho on, yona ezenzela ukuthi njalo uma ngi-uploadile then you get notified, uzowabuka wonke ama-video nga-uploada kule channel. Kanti subscribe njalo, subscribe ubuye ulike, uzobona ukuthi uYouTube uzoloke kwehlisela wonke lama video Nkosi Nophilile. Uma usubscribe njalo ulike into ikanjalo nje, ufaka ne-notification bell yakho on, ayikho video nje ozoyikhutha, wonke uzowathola. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, asihlangane kwelandelayo. Bye.